Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I got my hands on the brand new iPhone 13 Pro. I'm gonna go out in the real world, test out the photo ability of this new camera and see what kind of image quality this camera can produce. So let's go out and try this thing out. Alright, so now I'm at a spot I think is very good for photos. This is called Brighton Beach. So as you can see, today's weather is very nice. So let's go ahead and take some of the beach shots.
But just who is Brock? Where did he come from? It is a strange story that begins many years ago.
Okay, so I really like the background there, the contrast, a different teal of the sky and the ocean. So I'm gonna take a photo, but I'm quite far away from the subject. So I'm gonna try out this 3x optical zoom on this camera and see how that turns out.
We'll all find out together.
The most powerful underground espionage agent in the Western Hemisphere. I've been trying to get my hands on him for years. What's his next move?
But since you ask, I'll give it to you straight.
So now let's try out this ultra wide angle lens. So I'm gonna put my camera in this all the tall grass and in a very tight space. See how this ultra wide angle lens performs. So now I'm gonna take some photos at the same spot and test out the ultra wide angle, which is 0.5 zoom, and 1x zoom, which is just the normal pictures, and the 3x optical zoom. So and put them side by side and you can see the difference. Alright, so the last camera lens I want to test out is this macro lens. Apparently it can take the shots of a very close subject. So on the Apple website, it got a picture with a flower to show the macro lens function. I'll try to recreate that, and yeah, I've got some flowers here. Let's see how that turns out. crazy, and like you have no idea how close I can get to these flowers that I can never imagine a smartphone can do this. This is crazy. See the picture here? Is this on a smartphone? This is mind-blowing. Oh my god.
You know, Brock, you remind me of someone.
So that's all for my real-world test of this iPhone 13 Pro camera. So I hope you enjoy it. So if you do, please hit that thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel, and then hit the bell notification as well, so you don't miss out on any single upload in the future. So the next video I'll be doing is the real-world, the videography test of this camera, and I can't wait to test out the new cinematic mode. So I'll see you in the next video. Alright, peace!